All right, so in this video I'm going to talk about how to withdraw your PLCUX coins or your profits from your farm, and how to get it to naira. So there's a whole process, about 4 or 5 steps. We're going to go through it step by step so you can follow this video to get your profit from PLCUX all the way to your naira bank account. Right, so the first step is you need to open your farm. The coins or the profit from PLCUX goes into your farm balance, not your wallet balance. So those of us who are minting PLCUX, you can see at the bottom of the screen here, you can see under balances PLCUX 0.0012958. That is the profit I want to withdraw, and all you need to do is to click on this, tap on that bar, the PLCUX bar at the bottom there. Just click anywhere on it and it's going to show you the balance and your wallet. But you want to click on the send button, here, the blue send button, and here you're going to type in how much you want to withdraw. So let's assume that we want to do max. I can click max to type. It's going to put in the entire amount there, and now it's telling me the gas fee that I'm supposed to have. So every transaction in PLCUX needs to have a corresponding gas fee in PLCU. All right, so you would need to have some PLCU in your farm balance for you to be able to do this transaction. And it has shown me there I need approximately 0.0009977 PLCU in my farm balance to do this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over to my Coinsbit or wherever and send this amount of PLCU. I'll send a little above this, maybe 0.001, all right, PLCU to this wallet, so that I can do this transaction. So once I do that, we'll be back to continue this process. Okay, so here I am in the wallet, and there's some PLCU here. So I'm going to send 0.001, right, and I'm going to send that. In fact, I can just, if you want to send to your farm directly, you don't even need to do that. You can just click on this P icon in the bottom left. You can see at the bottom right, close to the settings icon, you can see a P icon there inside a square. So that's what you click on, and then you can, that means that icon helps you to transfer coins directly from your wallet to your farm. So I want to send 0.001. Next, you can see that it has brought out my farm address, right, and I'm going to click on confirm, and that has been completed. So it has sent that into the farm, and you can see it has debited. So let's go back to the other way you can even do that. You can see top up here. Instead of clicking this P, you can see the top up right here. It will do the same thing. All right, so that's 2 ways you can send money to your farm. So let's go back to the farm now, and you can see that the PLCU coins have arrived. You can see my PLCU balance at the bottom under balances showing 0.001. So let's go ahead with this transaction. I can actually send directly to the exchange where I want to sell. So let's go to Coinsbit. All right, so we are on Coinsbit now, and going to get my wallet address from here. So I need to sign in first. Let's do that quickly. Just signing into Coinsbit. Okay, so I'm gonna get a code. Yes, so I'm in, and all you need to do is go to, once you've logged in, right, you go to menu, Under wallet, you will see balance. You see that? Menu, wallet, you see balance. Click on balance. I want to deposit PLCUX, so just search there, PLCUX, search, and I want to deposit. So that's a quick way to get your PLCUX wallet. What you want to do is copy the wallet address. You can see it here at the bottom, so click on that copy icon, and then I'm going to go back to my farm where I want to send. So you see what I did, I copied from Coinsbit and I pasted it here. So, and I already have my PLCUX, PLCU for gas fee there. So let's see if we can send, swipe right to confirm, and oh, that something went wrong. Okay, all right, so what's happening here is that I clicked max, so it put in all the decimals, right? 0.0012958, but I realized that will not work. You have to reduce the decimals to like 4 decimal places. So I reduced, finally just tried 0.0012, and then I tried that, pasted the address, and then it went through. So if you ever have an issue sending from your wallet or from your farm, just make sure that you just use like 4 decimal places. So now I'm on Coinsbit and I'm going to initiate a sell order for my PLCUX. So first we convert the PLCUX to PLCU. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm coming to the menu here at the top right, and I'm going to buy crypto. You can see this buy crypto. I'm going to click that, and I will click on classic spot trading. So that's going to open to me the trading window. You can already see that the trading pair there is PLCUX / PLCU. So what that means, I can trade PLCUX to PLCU and vice versa. This is the only entry and exit from PLCUX. Okay, so if you don't have this showing here, you can just select whatever is at that top, whatever currency pair you're seeing there, click it and put in this search PLCUX. It will bring out the trading pair. All right, so you can click that, and then, but I'm already there, so I don't need this. So this is the order book, and ideally I would have seen, I can see only sell orders. So people that, if I wanted to buy from, all this red you are seeing are sell orders. Okay, so if I was going to buy at market, I would need to have seen some buy orders here. But what we're going to do is just click on the price you can see there, 79, come to sell. You can see sell button at the top right here. So sell, click that, and what's going to happen is I'm going to click 100%. So it's going to populate my entire PLCUX that I have in my wallet that I want to sell. You can type, but I just click 100%. So you put everything. If you click 50%, it will put half. All right, so 100%. And then what's going to happen, I'm going to click sell. Are you sure you want to sell? Yes, confirm. That's the orange button. Okay, so what has happened now, it has added my sell order 0.0014. It has added it to this order. So you can see how many people want to sell. 860 PLCU waiting to be sold. So that's like one PLC is $1,300. So let's say like $900,000 worth of PLCU waiting to be sold. And the company is stabilizing the market right now. So I think once a day they will come and clear out these orders. Okay, so I also believe this is what the PLCUX.com website is connected to. So once a day, that's why when you try to do PLCUX.com exchange, it takes time. Okay, so we just put the order there, and then you wait for it to be filled. Come back and check. Just come back and check anytime you remember. At least it should be done in a few hours or tops one day. So that's what you do. Once this is done, you're going to see the balance. If you come to balance, you'll see it will show up in your PLCU right here, and from PLCU you'll be able to sell. So you would you come back here to this top, you type PLCU/USDT. You see that /USDT, so you can sell your PLCU. Again, you click on sell, you put 100%, you will get your USDT into your balance, and from your USDT you can withdraw to Binance and get your money in naira. So that's how it is. It's about 3 steps, but once you get the hang of it, it's pretty simple. In 5 or less than 5 minutes you can do everything. Alright guys, so this training is getting too long. It's over 10 minutes and I don't want it to take too long. I have an entire training that addresses how to sell from USDT on Binance to your local bank account. So whether that's naira, cedis, pesos, rands, euros, you can, once you have it in USDT, you can pretty much get your money out. So I will link to that tutorial in the description so that this video doesn't get too long. So I hope this helped you. If you did, drop me a comment, like, and also share this with your partners. God bless.